Guys, this is why I don't want to pass via this Ayala Road, Bukal Bypass. Para siyang roller coaster ride and I'm not enjoying it sometimes. This part is chill but merong scary part mamaya. Scary siya kasi downhill. We are passing here coming from Metro Manila papuntang Pagsanghan. Oh my god, it's going down now! This is the part, I hate this part right here. Ako okay naman ako dito if you're from Pagsanghan, like the opposite way, but here when it goes down parang oh my god I hate it. Oh my god, look at that. Ito na ba yung last? Parang may isa pa. Yun na yun? Okay, buti binagalan ni Jersey.
Mga ano tayo?
What's up mga kabites? We are at UP Los Baños. I wasn't gonna edit this video but parang medyo napahaba siya and may mga gusto pa ako ipakita. It's really nice here and oh my god, what is that? While I'm vlogging. Hi! Hi Caterpillar. This is my first official vlog using my iPhone 13 Pro Max. And it's been fun to use so far. As you can see, yung mga transitions dito, yung mga zoom ins and zoom outs and whatever. And I'm just really enjoying this beautiful school. It reminds me of Silliman na parang mas provincial pero mas, ewan ko, parang mas maganda siya in its own way. I love Silliman of course, but ito kasi parang ano siya, parang mas mountainous area. Kasi Silliman is just flat. Ito may mga hills, uphill, downhill, and they have their own bank, they have their own police station and their fire department, and among others they have nice bridges as well. That's the bridge that I want. Welcome to UP Los Baños. Some minor ikot. Mas malaki ba ito sa Diliman or hindi?
Mas malaki, pinakamalaking campus doon.
Yung Los Baños?
Kasi kasama yung dalawang campuses to eh. Yung lower ito, tapos yung upper yung forest to.
Mas malaki yun kaysa dito. Kasi may
Hindi,
forest.
parehas.
Guys, welcome to UP Los Baños.
Economics.
Okay.
Agribusiness, economics.
So may din dito dati, mga jeep? Parang
Oo.
same sa Diliman.
Jeep talaga yung ginagamit namin. Yun yung papuntang forest eh. Taas. Well, papuntang Jamboree. Ito, adopted school yan, high school. Dito yung college.
Palm trees.
Ito yung Newcastle building. Kasi marami nagsisex dyan.
Ew, where?
Ayan, yung malaki. Doon.
Alam mo ba, may ganyang puno kami. Parang field din siya, tapos may malaking puno. May ganong story din, pero mas ano sahay, yun yung forestry something.
Oo. Pero ikot pa tayo ng isa.
Which one? Which part? The same?
Ikutin natin yung iba na hindi natin napuntahan.
Okay. Yung ano ba, forestry ba yun? Diba? Yung isang campus nasa paanan ng Mount Makiling.
Nasa taas. Gitna na siya actually.
Ng Mount Makiling.
Ay,
Try nga natin mag-street. Malayo ba?
Malayo.
Sobra?
Yung Mount Makiling kasi ay forest reserve ng UPLB. So pag-aari siya ng UPLB.
Huwag na lang, dito na lang sa mga malalapit na lang. For next time naman yun. So dyan yung ano, forestry, no? What is that? It's a nice
Ito yung
building.
Manila
Yan pa rin yung
Yan yung
kanina.
likod ng Manila. Dito, yung Sakay.
Oy, what is that?
Sakay Grand Villas, dyan yung ano, housing ng mga professor.
Ganda naman. Gusto ko doon.
Ito yung Neverending Bridge.
Why? Oh my god, it's so pretty. Hi, doggy. Why is it called a never-ending bridge?
Kasi sabi nila pagka,
Yung parang nawawala ka.
hindi, kapag
Charot.
pag tumawid ka lang dito ng gabi, mga madaling araw, hindi mo mararating yung dulo.
Oh my god.
Tapos
Parang may
dyan
ganong
tinapon
parang
yung-
may ganong story.
Diyan itinapon yung katawan ni ano,
Para ito yung kwento mo.
Diyan tinapon yung katawan ni Eileen Sarmenta.
Ito yung kwento mo eh.
Diyan yung forestry.
Ikaw nagkwento noon. Nakakatuwa. Oh my god. Ang ganda, para siyang Beverly Hills.
Diyan kami nag-freshman orientation. DL Umani Hall. Ayan yung si Maria Makiling.
Ay,
Yung parang
si ate girl.
Oo.
Hi ate girl.
minsan sabi nila, minsan yung ano, yung hawak-hawak niya palayok nandito sa ulo.
Totoo?
Minsan na minsan.
Naku, baka namamalikmata lang sila.
Ito yung Student Union building. Student Affairs.
Oh my god, maraming nagpapapicture dito. Let's go down, guys! Welcome to UP Los Baños, guys. So beautiful. Pakita ko yung self ko. Okay, so I've been here. Bye! Look at the birds, guys. They're so beautiful. Ah, oh my god, I wish I have a picture with them in the background. They're so cute. Look at them. Look at them. Sorry, I'm gushing over birds. Such cuties. I think that's another bank, UPLBFI. What is that?
Diyan ginagawa yung mga seminar.
And this is the PNB, Philippine National Bank. Inside UPLB. And where's the police station? That's the police station and the fire station. Ano kasi mga police cars? Ayun kasi fire truck yung nakita ko doon.
Oh, pero yun yung station.
Ng police.
Ah.
Okay. Thank you UP Los Baños for allowing us to go inside. And it was a fun tour. Palabas na kami. We've been here before, but this one is more thorough. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope na nakita nyo ang mga nice places. If you haven't been inside, if you're not from UP or if you're not from Laguna. If you haven't yet, please do click like and please subscribe. Drop your comments and click the notification bell for future updates. Bye! That cave, it's just right outside UPLB, and Jersey said di ka taga UPLB if you haven't eaten or if you don't eat at that cave. Vat kasi yung nakalagay. Tapos ito may Bat Cave. Basta, Bat Cave or Bat Cave. Depende na sa'yo. Bat Cave, Bat Cave. It's just right outside UPLB. Oh, wow. Parang exclusive. Tayo lang.
Dati meron kayo.
Okay.
Yung sa taas yung parang aircon.
Okay. Buti walang tao.